Hey guys, welcome. This video is about the Hafury Meet, or Hafury, I'm not entirely sure how you pronounce it, but Hafury is basically a sub-brand of Cubot who specialise really mainly in budget smartphones. This is it right here. It's a bit of a confusing one, and you'll see in a moment because I'll unbox it with you as well. It's powered by the Helio G99, which is 2 years old, the processor. The display looks like it's from an old Huawei Mate 20 Pro, I think. It's got a really harsh curved edges, and sometimes it looks a little bit sort of dark around the edges. I think it costs around about $210 or £200 or something like that. It is definitely a budget smartphone. The camera system isn't great. I'm telling you all that the bits that I should really be saying in the end anyway, but I'm probably going to repeat myself. But yeah, and the stuff you get in the box, I don't know. It's like they're targeting sort of the female audience, which is fine. But yeah, I just find it a little bit sort of confusing. Just watch the video, let me know. First impressions, they're good. Packaging was nice. The unboxing experience was quite interesting. Seems to be catering for the lady. But this day and age, anyone can wear whatever they want, have whatever colour they want. So we have like a feminine case with a flip down mirror lock if you want to do your lipstick or whatever. Little pouch there, put whatever in there. Phone fits in there, voila. In here, look at that, eh? Turns into a little bag. So there you go. So they've definitely gone all out for the unboxing experience and all accessories and stuff, which is great. That's great. Thankfully, they do include another case, which I don't mind using, and I've been using to keep it safe from scratches and stuff, because it is a glass back. And they also include a fast charger, 33 watts of speed. Guess what colour this USB cable is? Blue. But yeah, that's the unboxing experience. Great accessories. Now, this is where it really matters, the phone itself. In all seriousness, I wasn't going to make this video, but I watched a video yesterday, and honestly, I don't normally do this. I think the channel's called Tech Magnets. They have this phone. They did a review, and I don't know. I watched that, and I watched another video, and the difference was basically night and day. Yeah, the Tech Magnets channel, that video was, I'd say it was probably misleading, to be fair, saying this is like top spec smartphone, great cameras and all that sort of stuff. It's not. All right, it's not. This is the video in question. The channel's called Tech Magnet, 449,000 subscribers. Totally respect what they're doing and all that, but this really got on my nerves. I never do this type of video, guys. Never. I just keep my mouth shut. But it's not. Just go and watch that video. I'll include a link in the description so they get some views. I'm not bothered, but not like they don't need them. It's got 21k anyway. But yeah, I say it's a little bit misleading. So let me be honest. This phone, around $210, remember to keep that price in your mind. This is powered by the Helio G99, but we can go into the device info and have a proper look. Now for a start, in their video, they said it had a 2K resolution screen, when it doesn't, unless they got confused with the 2K video recording you can do on this phone. I'm not sure, but the display is probably the best thing about this phone. It's a 1080p display, Full HD plus. But on Cubot's website, they say it is an OLED display. Now it's 120 Hertz, it's 6.7 inches as well. And honestly, yeah, the screen is really nice. Let me bring that brightness down a touch. Yeah, honestly, the screen, yeah, it's really nice. It's beautiful. It reminds me a little bit of, I think it's the Huawei Mate 20, was it? It's curved edges and stuff. It's got an inbuilt screen protector as well. Yeah, the screen is excellent. Love it. One thing I don't love about the screen is that on Cubot's website, they say it's 1500 nits. There's absolutely no chance in hell that this phone is 1500 nits. I took this out yesterday. It was absolutely gorgeous day out in the UK, and I couldn't hardly see the screen. Very, very minimal, pure dark, because this is not 1500 nits of brightness. And like I said, powered by the Helio G99. There's 12 gigabytes of RAM. I have not had any problems at all in terms of performance. So performance on the smartphone has been great, it really has. I've managed to play Call of Duty on high frame rate as well. So no issues there. I haven't downloaded the HD graphic pack on this smartphone just yet. But we have been operating at a high frame rate, which is good. Now, there is only one speaker there at the bottom, and the audio quality seems good as well. Let's turn that right up. I have it on easy mode because I'm not that great at the game, but this is just to show you and give you a good idea as to what the gameplay looks like and how it performs.
Contact with enemy.
Okay, boom.
We've taken the lead.
No one.
Enemy in sight.
Oh. Bloody thing.
Enemy in
How do I throw it?
close. Fight harder.
So I'm so shit at this game. Well, that's a bit too loud. I'm going to turn it down.
Enemy down.
So yeah, performance-wise, it's great. It's got a 5,100 milliamp battery, and I've had about 6 hours, something like that. Could be better, but it's certainly not bad. Now, the one area which is really important to me on smartphones is a camera system. And the camera system on this overall is just not great at all. I mean, the first thing that annoyed me was the brightness of the screen when you're out in bright sunlight. That was poor. But there's no stabilization in the camera system on any video mode. Okay, so this is the camera system. It shoots up to 2K, which is strange. I've never heard of that of a smartphone before. You know, oh, let's shoot at 2K. So you have 2K, 1080p, 720p, 640 by 480. Why on earth you'd want to shoot at that? I do not know. Even if you're spending $210, you better get some second-hand flagship phones which are better than this in camera system anyway. And in terms of software, we've got Android 13, and that looks so like a Pixel. That the Pixel stock Android, which I do like. There's a stock Android experience here. You've got all the Google apps there, so that's great. In terms of software, it's good. There's one thing I'm missing though, is doing that, dragging down and all the menu coming down with it. There's no sort of shortcuts there. You have to just go right to the top. And I've got big hands, which obviously is easier for me than other people, but that's something that did annoy me a little bit. There is NFC on this, so you can do your card payments and whatnot. One disappointing thing for, well, my son is, let's have a look. Fortnite is not supported. So you cannot play Fortnite on this phone. Device not supported. So I'm not saying, oh, this is a terrible phone, you shouldn't go out and buy it. What I'm saying is that do not buy this smartphone for the camera system, because I think the camera system, I don't care how much it is, the camera system is very, very poor. I would buy this if you are a gamer. You can game on it absolutely fine. The display is excellent if you just want to watch movies and stuff, or TV shows, general browsing of like social media and stuff like that, absolutely perfect. But as a camera smartphone, I do not recommend it at all. But yeah, I wanted to make sure. If you have seen that Tech Magnet video, let me know what you thought, because they praised every single part of this phone, which I don't think is right. You know, so yeah, that's the Hafury Meet. Definitely has its place, definitely. But yeah, a few things to bear in mind when purchasing this smartphone. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.